Dancing deep fried, sugary delight. Should be simple, should be right, but I've been searching high and low for that perfect doughy glow. Krispy Kreme's a sugar bomb. Dunkin' makes my teeth go numb. Diabetes type 3 sweet. Way too much, I face defeat. Donuts, donuts, you're supposed to be easy. Deep fried dough, don't make it so cheesy. I've been to bakeries, fancy and small. Some too dense, some too plain, disappointing them all. Just want that balance, not too sweet, not too dry. But every bite's a gamble, every shop's a try. Local bakeries sound so good, artisan vibes in the neighborhood. But half are dense like hockey pucks, the other half just out of luck. Too simple, barely any glaze. Lost in this donut maze. Spent my money, spent my time, donut after donut chasing that sublime. Too many bites, too many shops, too many hopes that always flop. Round and round this town I go. Where's the donut that just knows? Donuts, donuts are supposed to be easy. Deep fried dough, don't make it so cheesy. I've been to bakeries, fancy and small. Some too dense, some too plain, disappointing them all. Just want that balance, not too sweet, not too dry. But every bite's a letdown, makes me wanna cry. Then I walk into the grocery store, not expecting nothing more. Grab a box, basic as hell, and oh my God, they do it well. Wait, this is it? The grocery store, all this time. Donuts, donuts, the grocery got it right. Not too fancy, not too light. While I searched the whole damn town, the answer was just marked down. 5, basic glaze perfection. No Instagram, no special selection. Just a simple donut done well. Old reliable grocery store.